Hello, you're welcome to the Math Classroom. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. And to my already subscribers, I'd say, Aiko. In our lesson today, we are looking at solutions of differential equations, and we'll be looking at the general solution. We already said a differential equation involves words, differentiable function, and one or more of words, its derivatives. Example, if I have this equation y prime plus 2y to be equal to 0, you realize that this is what? A differential words equation, because we have words, the differentiable functions, and we have words, the derivative as well. So we are saying y prime here, it's words dy dx. That is the words, the first derivative. So when do we get a function? So we are saying that a function say y to be equal to f of x is going to be the solution to this differential equation we are looking at. That is, if the equation is satisfied when y and its derivatives are replaced by what? F of what? X. So for example, let's look at this function f of x. We are saying y it's equal to e exponent 2 raised to the power what? E raised to the power minus 2 what? 2 what? X. We are saying this is what? A solution. It's a solution of the differential words equation, DE, the differential words equation. How true is that? So to see this, all that we do is we substitute y. We substitute for what? Y, and find what? The derivative in, find this in what? The original words equation. So from here, you realize that we said y prime here. So let's look at it from here. What do you realize? You realize that our y prime is going to be equal to what? Minus what? 2y. What is 2y? Let's substitute and see. If I substitute, you realize that if I substitute, you realize that y prime is going to be equal to minus 2e exponent what? Minus what? 2 what? X in what? The original what? Equation. So let's look at it. So if I have y prime plus 2y, this is going to be equal to what? Minus 2e minus 2x plus 2e exponent minus what? 2x. So you realize that this is what going to be equal to what? 0. Okay, so because this is equal to 0, you realize that we have what? This as well. So we have been able to show that this function is what? A solution to what? The differential equation. So in the same way, we can show that 2 to the power ex and other solutions. So I can give you another function, let's say y to be equal to minus 3e exponent what? Minus 2x, and I can say that it is a solution towards the differential words equation. So from here, we are establishing that the general solution. So you realize that then the general solution The general, okay, so the general solution here is going to be what? Y to be equal to what? A certain constant raised the power, a certain constant E raised the power what? Minus what? 2 what? X. So this family of solutions is what we are calling the general solution of what? A differential equation. In our next lesson, we'll take examples and show that they are what's actually a solution towards the differential equation. Kindly stay safe and take care till our next lesson. Bye.